Hey guys, so we're just going to do a short video during halftime of the game. So I put a wet coat on this saw blade of white, and I've got a little medicine cup. It holds, this is 10 milliliters, so it holds about 20 milliliters. And I'm just going to set it back here, and we're just going to add a little bit of black. I don't want it to come out too fast because I don't want to put too much in this cup, because I'm probably going to leave some negative space. A little bit of yellow. And these colors are all Artist Loft Flow acrylics with no silicone. And a little bit of blue. Okay. And I'm just going to, let's see, I'm going to do a flip cup. Okay, and I'm going to let it set for just a second, and then we're going to kind of do a drag, but I don't think I had enough paint on here to really do a drag, so it's kind of a flip and drag, kind of not. Okay, I am going to torch it, and then I'm going to tilt it. Okay. Oh, let me take my ring off. We don't want that to be. Just wanted to do a quick little pour kind of during halftime. And I did tape off all the holes. Once I get this paint off, I'll be good to go. There's just a little excess paint over here. And there. Okay. So I'm bringing you guys in for a close-up, and then we will get back to the game. So let's pull you down. And here we go. We did get some little cells. And some webbing. I'll probably pull the tape off the center in just a minute and kind of let it flow through the center. But there it is. It looks awesome, and see you guys later. Subscribe if you're not subscribed.